Alright, so I'm going to do this question in two different ways. I'm going to let x equal 0.3. Now it's important to know that it was just the 292929 that was recurring. And now because we've got two digits recurring, I'm going to times by 100x because I want to shift things by two places, okay? Let me just move that across a little bit, you'll see why in a moment. Now if I times both sides of the top line by 100, I'm going to get 32.9292929, and you can see I've managed to line up a lot of the two nines. Now I'm going to copy paste the top line down again, 0.3292929, and of course when I perform a beautiful subtraction, can you see on the left hand side 99x, and on the right hand side all of these pieces disappear and I'm left with 32.9 subtract 0.3, which is 32.6. So therefore x is 32.6 divided by 99. We don't like a fraction to have a decimal within it, so if we times top and bottom by 10, 326 over 990, there we go. You can go ahead and simplify that by cancelling common factors, by factorising, but I'm just going to leave it like that for now. I'm interested in the second part, so I'm going to break this up a little bit. Let me just remind you about this. If I did 29/99ths, I think probably you might be able to recognise that as 0.292929 recurring, right? So that would be 0.29 recurring. Now that looks very similar to a piece of our original question, yeah? Now what if I want to change this 0.29 into 0.029 recurring? Can you see that's just divide by 10? So if that's just divide by 10, then surely that's just this divided by 10. So that would be 29 over 9/90ths. And then I think I finally got it because 0.3292929 is the same as 0.3 plus 0.0292929, etc. 0.3 is 3/10. We've already established 0.029 recurring is 29 over 990. So now we have a simpler fraction addition. We're going to change the same common denominator. So this I'm going to times by 99, therefore times the top by 99. And now I've got 300, that's 297 over 990, plus 29 over 990. And look at that, we get the exact same answer, 326 over 990. So I'm a big fan of trying to take what we already know and apply it to a new situation. For this one though, you do have to know the trick of if you have two recurring digits straight after the decimal point, then it's over 99, right? And remember that other one was if we have 0.3 recurring, that would be 3/9. 0.21 recurring, that would be 21/99. So those are good tricks to have up your sleeve. So there you go.